Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Web3 and the decentralized internet. These groundbreaking technologies are set to revolutionize the way we interact online, offering unprecedented control, privacy, and opportunities. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or new to the concept, this comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Introduction to Web3. Let's begin with the basics. Web3, or Web 3.0, is the next evolution of the internet, building on the decentralized principles of blockchain technology. Unlike Web 2.0, which is dominated by centralized platforms, Web3 aims to create a more open, transparent, and user-centric web. So what exactly is Web3? At its core, Web3 is about decentralization, giving users control over their data and digital identities. It leverages blockchain technology, smart contracts, and decentralized applications, or dApps, to create a more secure and equitable online environment. The evolution of the web. Timeline of the web's evolution from Web 1 to Web 3. To understand Web 3, it's essential to look at the evolution of the web. Web 1, the early internet, or Web 1, was a static web. Websites were simple, read-only pages with minimal interaction. Users were mainly passive consumers of information. Web 2, with the advent of Web 2, the internet became interactive. Social media platforms, user-generated content, and dynamic websites emerged, allowing users to participate actively. However, this led to the centralization of power in the hands of a few tech giants who control vast amounts of user data. Web 3. Enter Web 3, the decentralized web. It aims to redistribute control, allowing users to own their data and interact directly without intermediaries. This is made possible through technologies like blockchain, cryptographic tokens, and decentralized protocols. Key components of Web 3. Blockchain, smart contracts, dApps. Web 3 comprises several key components that work together to create a decentralized internet. Blockchain, the foundational technology of Web 3. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. Smart contracts, these are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. They automatically enforce and execute agreements when predefined conditions are met. Decentralized applications, dApps. Unlike traditional apps, dApps run on decentralized networks. They are open source, incentivize users and developers through token economies, and operate without a central authority. Cryptographic tokens. Tokens are digital assets used within Web 3 ecosystems. They can represent ownership, access rights, or serve as a medium of exchange. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. DAOs are organizations run by code, where decisions are made collectively by token holders. They operate transparently and are governed by smart contracts. How Web 3 differs from Web 2. Let's compare Web 3 with Web 2 to highlight the differences. Data ownership. In Web 2, platforms control user data, often monetizing it without explicit consent. In Web 3, users own their data and have full control over its use and distribution. Intermediaries. Web 2 relies on intermediaries for transactions and interactions, leading to issues like censorship and single points of failure. Web 3 removes intermediaries, enabling peer-to-peer interactions. Monetization. Web 2 platforms generate revenue primarily through advertising, often at the expense of user privacy. Web 3 introduces new monetization models such as token economies, where users and developers are directly rewarded. Transparency. Web 2 operates behind closed doors with limited transparency. Web 3 emphasizes transparency with open-source protocols and visible transaction records on the blockchain. Benefits of Web 3 and decentralized internet. Infographics highlighting benefits. Web 3 offers numerous benefits over the current centralized web. Enhanced privacy and security. Web 3's cryptographic principles ensure that user data is secure and private, reducing the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. Censorship resistance. Decentralized platforms are less prone to censorship and control by any single entity, promoting freedom of speech and expression. User empowerment. Web 3 gives users control over their digital identities and assets, allowing for greater autonomy and ownership. Innovation and collaboration. Open source nature and token economies foster innovation and collaboration, enabling developers to create and improve decentralized applications. Financial inclusion. Decentralized finance DeFi opens up financial services to unbanked and underbanked populations, providing access to loans, savings, and investment opportunities. Real-world applications of Web3. Web3 and the decentralized internet have numerous real-world applications across various industries. Finance DeFi. Decentralized finance offers financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading without traditional banks. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap are leading the way. Supply chain management. Blockchain can enhance transparency and traceability in supply chains, reducing fraud and improving efficiency. Projects like VeChain and IBM Food Trust are pioneering these solutions. Healthcare. Decentralized health records ensure patient data privacy and interoperability, allowing for better healthcare outcomes. Gaming and NFTs. Blockchain-based games and non-fungible tokens (NFTs) enable true ownership of digital assets, creating new economic opportunities for gamers and artists. Social media. Decentralized social platforms like Mastodon and Minds offer alternatives to traditional social networks, promoting free speech and user control. Governance. DAOs enable decentralized governance models, allowing communities to make collective decisions transparently and democratically. Challenges and considerations. Risk factors. Regulatory hurdles. While Web3 holds immense promise, it also faces several challenges and considerations. Scalability. Current blockchain networks struggle with scalability, limiting the number of transactions they can process. Solutions like Ethereum 2.0 and Layer 2 scaling aim to address this. User experience. Web3 applications can be complex and less user-friendly than traditional web services. Improving usability is crucial for broader adoption. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory landscape for blockchain and cryptocurrencies is still evolving. Navigating these regulations is essential for the growth of Web3. Security risks. While blockchain is inherently secure, smart contracts and decentralized applications can have vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Interoperability. Ensuring different blockchain networks can communicate and interact seamlessly is vital for the decentralized internet to function effectively. Key technologies enabling Web3. Blockchain protocols, smart contract platforms. Several key technologies enable the development and operation of Web3. Ethereum, the leading smart contract platform. Ethereum hosts a vast ecosystem of dApps and DeFi projects. Its transition to Ethereum 2.0 aims to improve scalability and energy efficiency. Polkadot, a multi-chain network that facilitates interoperability between different blockchains, allowing them to share information and work together. Solana, known for its high throughput and low transaction costs, Solana is a popular choice for dApps requiring fast and cheap transactions. Filecoin, a decentralized storage network that provides a secure and efficient way to store and retrieve data on the blockchain. Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts with real-world data, enabling more complex and functional applications. IPFS, Interplanetary File System, a decentralized file storage protocol that allows for the distributed storage and sharing of data. How to get started with Web3. Step-by-step guides, wallets, dApp interfaces. If you're interested in getting started with Web3, here are the steps. Set up a wallet. The first step is to set up a cryptocurrency wallet that supports Web3. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet are popular options. Acquire cryptocurrency. Purchase cryptocurrency, such as ETH, from an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Explore dApps. Use your wallet to interact with decentralized applications. Visit platforms like Uniswap for DeFi, OpenSea for NFTs, and Gitcoin for funding open-source projects. Participate in DAOs. Join decentralized autonomous organizations and participate in governance by holding and staking tokens. Learn and stay updated. Follow Web3 news and updates through communities, forums, and educational resources like Ethereum.org, Web3 Foundation, and GitHub.